All right, what's up, guys? This is the unit that I put together. This was actually influenced by a video I seen from SEMA. It was Pan, the organizer's video. He went to this booth that was selling a unit just like this with the power washer, with the reel, with the hose, with everything, whole setup. They're about $16.59 on their website. I bought this roller seat for 30 bucks. I bought the reel for 80 bucks on Amazon. I got this plate made at Tap Plastic. It was about like 13 bucks. Hopefully this helps you guys if you guys want a little compact mobile cart. Pulling the pressure washer out, pulling the hose out. So I wanted a one unit. This actually cost me about 200 bucks to make. Stay tuned to the video to see how I actually made this. I went to Tap Plastic to make this. I went to Home Depot to get the screws, and I did some videos on my iPhone of how I screwed it all together and put it all together. So thank you for watching. Alright, well, I did turn it this way. I kind of just wedged it in there a little bit, but I left those kind of loose. That's why I was able to put them in, but that might work too, like that. Then I'll put the top on and then screw on the wheel from there. But I think this will be good.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do that, and then
It has to be this size.
and then this size. Yeah, well, preferably this size.
Okay. So which was 14 1/4 by 7 1/2.
Yeah, well, let's do that.
It was like 1 square foot.
Okay.
Of 3/8 ABS. 14 and 1/4 and 7 1/2, and then 4 holes.
Four holes.
Like 4/4 inch holes.
Yeah.
And
And then you'll be able to line that up to be exactly.
I'm gonna try, because I'm gonna have to measure from here and there and do it. Or
You have to
actually,
get a piece of clear polycarbonate and
yeah,
place it in
I would
the
say our
holes.
piece of 1/16 acrylic, and then just
just like
match, and then I can match it. Then I use that other little piece, the
And then
scrap
just-
piece as a template, and then put it on top of
Okay,
that
perfect.
piece and drill through.
Okay, perfect.
So yeah, it's $1.25 per hole,
Okay.
and then plus the 15, or not 15, 1270 for the material.
Okay, perfect.
That'll just take about 5 minutes or so.
Okay, yeah, take your time. No rush.
And we're open till 5:30.
Okay, perfect. All right, thank you. Looks good.
Good one.
Thank you.
It's $20.12.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
All right, I also wanted to add, I put these wheels. So it comes with these wheels, but I added these wheels to have like a locking system on here so it doesn't move. But I'm gonna put it on here also. And I also put I drilled these holes out. So once I disconnect this, you know, water comes out, and you want to like tilt it so the water drains. So you want to tilt it, and then it actually just like stays. You just let it sit. Actually just like stays like that. You see how it's like dripping still, and then the water can just like drip out, and you just wipe it down with the towel to dry it out. But yeah, I'm planning on putting those wheels on the front so it just stays, it doesn't move. And what else? Maybe I can show you guys underneath on like the hardware where I put. Originally, I had it mounted in the middle, but I moved it over so it'll be like flush. It'll be like flushed here, and then the units here. Because before, if it was like in the middle, like this would have been hanging off a little bit. So if anyone has a link or where I can buy or the size, I can get a 90-degree elbow to come up here so I can put a 2-foot hose just to go here, and then it'll be like more flush instead of stick out here. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys like this video. What else did I put? I put some tape here. I also cut this off. I cut this. It used to be like this long, this rubber piece. I cut it off so it'll bend a little bit, because before it was like sticking out. Then I put like some tape and some like a piece of like cloth so it wouldn't like go really against there and start bending hard. But alright guys, hopefully you guys like this video. Hope this helps you guys save some money. Peace.